Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Actor Jussie Smollett has had his conviction overturned in the MAGA hat hoaxer conviction case. The Illinois Supreme Court reversed the conviction of MAGA hate hoaxer Jussie Smollett. Jussie Smollett asked the Illinois Supreme Court to overturn his conviction after the appellate court denied his request. Excuse me. The former Empire actor took his case to the Illinois Supreme Court in September in a last-ditch effort to have his 21 conviction overturned. A statement from the Illinois Supreme Court on Thursday said, "Today we resolve a question about the state's ability to honor the agreements it makes with defendants. Specifically, we address whether a dismissal of a case by no prosecutor, I guess that's how you pronounce that, I could be wrong, allows the state to bring a second prosecution when the dismissal was entered as part of an agreement with the defendant and the defendant has performed his part of the bargain. We hold that a second prosecution under these circumstances is a due process violation, and we therefore reverse defendant's conviction." In December of 2021, Smollett was found guilty on 5 charges of disorderly conduct, 1 count for each time he lied to police following the hoax. Smollett was found not guilty on a 6th count of lying to a detective. In March of 22, a judge scolded Jussie Smollett for his narcissism and hypocrisy before sentencing him to 150 days in jail. Smollett was also sentenced to 30 months probation in order to pay $126,000 restitution and a $25,000 fine. A dramatic scene unfolded in court after the judge sentenced Jussie Smollett to 150 days in prison last year. So, I think her name was Miss Foxx. When this first broke out, she started an investigation, then she quickly closed it and said he wasn't going to be tried for anything, which is what is her right. She's the attorney general or the prosecutor. She can counsel in case she wants to. But in so doing that was an outrage to the country for simply the fact that this was a staged event. He had paid these actors that were part of the crew there on part of the part of the show that he was part of. He paid these people $3,000. The 2 Nigerian brothers, $3,000 to help him pull the MAGA country hoax off. And of course, they spilled the beans because there was video footage of them actually buying the same material that was used in this supposedly MAGA hate attack against him. But the Illinois Supreme Court has overturned it. So now he's a free man again. He did some time, but it wasn't a lot, but he did time for it because in the middle of Chicago, 2 o'clock in the morning, where you going to find some MAGA people, MAGA hat supporters running around looking for a black guy to throw some type of liquid on him and call him a derogatory name and put a noose around his neck. Yeah, it don't make sense to me either, but that's the line he went with. That's the story he stood with. That's the story he continues to stand with. And in the end, the Illinois Supreme Court was on his side because they had already punished him. And then the special prosecutor came back and actually got an actual conviction, which the first prosecutor should have done. Just let it play it out and see where it went. But he had his day in court, and now he's a free man. And now I'm going to shut up and get off. If you like this content, hit that like button. Please share this video. If this is your first time here to the Retired Vet Show, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I post another video. And as always, God bless you all. Stay safe.